Spelling activities for the junior primary. This ready-to-use program aims to cater for the range and ability evident within any junior primary class. The book is organised into 3 sections. Section 1, encoding or spelling tasks. Section 2, tasks that require a student to demonstrate the meaning of the words that they are learning to spell. Section 3, transference into writing tasks. This program can be a standalone program, but it can also be utilised within PLD's larger strategy, in which there are placement tests from downloadable manuals that are freely available on the PLD site. And when processing those placement tests, students are clustered into 3 targeted teaching groups. If you are struggling with that and are finding you've got 5 groups, you need to contact the PLD office, and this is something that we provide assistance with, 3 targeted teaching groups. In the example here, drawn from Time Savers, there are 3 ability levels that have been identified from those placement tests. There are a group of students that are on a CVC list, there's a group of students that are learning digraphs, shirt, churt, thir, and there's a group of students with double consonant cluster words at the beginning of words. Now, rather than rotating groups, PLD's recommendation is all the students are completing the same task from the same template, however, that their words differ. If you don't have Time Savers, your other option is the phonics sight word sequence and drawing and typing up the word list from that particular resource. Section 1, the decoding or reading and encoding or spelling tasks. My favourite are the Encoding boxes, whether it's single time, double time or triple time. When writing the word teeth, t, e, th, t in the first box, e in the second box, th in the third box. I like the alternating colours to slow students down. Also included in section 1 are templates that are quite junior primary in nature. However, in each of those different areas, a different sound unit or phoneme is located. There are the sound pyramids. So if learning the word shark, the top of that pyramid is going to have a sh in it, and then you're going to go down for the first 2 sounds. Sh, ah, sh, and then down to the bottom, sh, k, sh, k. Look, cover, say, write, check is often done quite poorly. When looking at the word chain, look, some students will say, well, I've just looked at it. Well, your eyes are meant to go doing, 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 or look with your fingers. There's a ch sound, there's an a sound, there's a n sound. Cover it, say the sounds ch, a, n, ch in the first colour, a in the next colour, n in the next colour. There's copying and handwriting tasks and rewriting your words using dotted thirds, because there is a handwriting component to spelling. The spelling detective tasks are very popular. Rewrite the words in alternating colours, how many sounds, how many letters, and illustrate the meaning of the word. Spelling detective 2, rewrite the words in alternating colours, how many sounds, and then identify the graphs, the digraphs, the trigraphs, and if there's any quadgraphs there. Spelling detective 3, rewriting the words in alternating colours, how many sounds or phonemes, and then identifying the vowels and consonants contained within those words. Section 2, understanding the meaning of words. Traditionally, we have asked students to form dictionary definitions. However, we can rewrite the words in alternating colours, again emphasising the phonics and the sound structure, and then go on to illustrate the words or rewrite the words in alternating colours in circles or in a little cloud, and then bing, 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 3 associations, or at least 3 things that are associated with those words. Rewriting the words in alternating colours and then creating synonyms or antonyms. There's also a prefix and suffix section. Section 3, transference into writing. And again, traditionally, we've asked students to write their words in sentences. But here we're looking at connected written language. So writing a connected conversation, either with speech bubbles or writing a connected conversation with direct speech and punctuation, writing a recount with spelling words or event-based news or a narrative or a postcard or a letter, using a genre, and for students to have the challenge to commit as many of those words into writing as possible. You also have the teaching sequence downloadable manuals, which have a really nice outline of that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and the recommended Thursday and Friday tasks that you can also draw from. This program is filled with many ideas and quality tasks. The organisation of the program into the 3 clear sections aims to highlight why particular activities are chosen to present within that weekly routine. This is a core component for designing quality and effective structured synthetic phonics routines within a literacy block. If you found this information useful, don't forget to click the subscribe button and check out our related videos shown here. If you have any questions or feedback, please add them to the comments below and we'll be sure to respond. Otherwise, you can reach us via live chat on our website, pld-literacy.org. Thanks again for viewing.